So for this next meal, we're using different cooking implements. We're using a collapsible pan. It's handy because it saves a load of space. So for this meal, we're using a different cooking pot. We're using a collapsible pan. I'm going to fill it with water. That should be enough. And we're going to have a pasta dish. So we're having pasta, which we're going to cook in the water. And we're going to use a pasta sauce. This one's cheese and bacon. And we're going to put some smoked ham into it to give it a little bit more bulk. So let's get the water boiling. The gas ring's lit. Obviously with these collapsible pans you'd have to be careful that the flame doesn't lick over the sides, otherwise you'll be getting problems. So bring the water to the boil and then we'll add the pasta. And the water's just starting to bubble and boil, so time to add your pasta. I'm doing enough for two here for Keith and myself. Always tend to overcook pasta. Overcook it, I overestimate how much to do that, so really. So, but it always comes in handy because you've got to eat it. That'll do this. So let's just take the water slightly off the boil again. So we just pop the lid back on. The good thing about these lids as well is that got holes in, so rather than having to have a separate colander, you can drain the water out afterwards. So we'll let that cook about 10 minutes. While the pasta's cooking, and get some ham. Just start chopping it up. Personal taste, that's beginning to boil, so take the lid off slightly. Personal choice whether you want big lumps or small lumps. This is just cheap ham trimmings from Aldi. 400 grams for £1.89, can't complain. Had it a few times, always been nice, tasty. So again, personal taste, how much you want, personal choice. Always got to help yourself to a bit, eh? When you're doing it. No special technique with the cutting it and chopping it. Let's get on with it. I'm do quite a lot because it's really going to bulk it up. One more bit for look. Some of it's thinner, some of it's thicker. That'll do us. And just wait for the pasta to cook. So that's cooked for the pasta now, so just be careful because it does get hot. Ow. I'll hand it over to Keith. Get in. And if you'd like to tip the sauce in.
All of it?
All of it, yeah. And give it a stir. And then we'll add the ham. And let's add a stir so it just goes back on the top, the hob. And we add the ham. Just bung it in. And just let it heat up again. And it'll be ready to serve. Heated nicely through now. Doesn't take long. Keep stirring it so it doesn't stick to the bottom. Ready to serve. How hungry are you? The dogs are waiting for what's left. Don't think there will be much dogs.
As usual, very nice.
Good.
Mm.
Again, another simple one pot on a 2-ring burner.